Welcome to the Painful Budgeter. I am Payne. Here's some Monday morning flowers for y'all. I was out there picking, and oh my goodness, I had an onion thing in there. And man, it's very oniony smelling. Okay, that was the other ones. I already did that one. Put this party flower over here. All right. If you watched the previous video, all I can say is sorry. I was in a headache, pain, and just rambling, and stresses of everyday life, not wanting to grown up, being a grown up, and having to make decisions and letting it all out in my addictions and stupid stuff. Because that will catch you every so often. Alrighty, this is from our mini Mondays. I'm actually going to use my where the heck is it? My 12 Days of Christmas. I'll make sure I put a link of the, so you can get these for free. And the wind is opening my door, so if you hear it creaking, that's what it is. I'm probably just going to do like 4 of them so I can get more money in for starting. So we'll do that. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 5 is 20. I don't have a whole lot of money to work on usually by these mini Mondays, so it's usually like I try to aim for 15 to 20 bucks a week. It does add up. And like all my cats left today, so maybe I won't get a full photo bomb again. Cat Farrell showed up and decided he wanted to be in the filming. All right, let's see. I need my 12-sided dice and my 4. And I'm going to do my little triangle D4. And that's a 20, 20, 20. That's, is that the 12? Yeah, that's the 12. Alrighty, let's see. Number 10. And I've got them Lord's Leapin'. He looks very scared. That Santa wear line, it looks terrified of that Lord leaping after him. So I got one of them. And then a 9. And then we have a lady dancing. I don't know how that's going to turn out for her because I realized after the fact that her legs are tied up. 2. I got 1 and 2. So that should be an easy one. And number 2, a turtle dove. My little cute little mutant turtle dove celebrating Christmas. And 1 more. And number 1. Which is a part fig in a pear tree. For all those hard of hearing people. Alrighty. So just 4 of them today. And put our spicy one in here. Don't need that. Let's see. Get it done. And a number 1. Part big pear tree. 2. 1. Oops. No, that was a 1. Actually, sorry. That was a 1. That was a 2. I always do that. It's like I see the number and I put it on there. 3. A turtle dove. 2 turtle doves and a partridge in a... Yeah, I'm going to have that in my mind all day. 1. 2. 1. 2. 2. I got these over at Nerd Together over at the Provo Mall. They have the Kraken dice, which you can get the whole set. It's really cool. 3. 4. Finally. Whoops. That was a misfire. 2. 1. 4. 3. 1. That was a toss. And the last one is 2. These things are kind of harder to roll. They keep sliding out of my hand every time I grab them. Alrighty. I keep wanting to go and make some more of these trays, and I never seem to have the time. Maybe if I just cut myself down to 1 or 2 videos a week, I might seem to have the time, but I always like overdo it. It's like I'll do my Sunday day, which is the regular one, just kind of chitting and chatting, and then usually have the mini Mondays, and then I always end up like either a shop with me or gardening with me, and then those ones end up taking a whole lot of time to do and to edit. And so by the time I get all this stuff done, I have no freaking weekend. So one of these days, you'll just see like 1 or 2 videos just so I can get caught up and on all the stuff I need to do just around the house instead of just editing. I'm trying to get as many videos in my playlists as I can. Just so I can, okay, we got 10, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So that's half of one. And oh my goodness, where's my little, I had a little thing with all my stuff. Oh, hold on, I will be right back. Fast forward. I forgot my shout outs anyways, and I didn't get my extra mentions in, so I'll do some extra mentions next week. I just ran out. I was like so tired last night, and by the end of the day, I'm like, well, at least I got all my newbies, my new subscribers, and I am up to 102 as of today. So yay, progress! In about 2 months, that's cool. Let's get these cute little beasts. I'm gonna just do an outline. That looks more green than teal. I think. And this is only 2, so I'll do half of one. Just do him half. Alrighty. So I'll say 5. And then, yeah, if you download these, you can always laminate them if you want to reuse them for next year, or just use them once. I know by next year you're going to have so many other ones that you probably don't need to. But yeah, if I forget to make sure the link's working, text me or shoot me out an email, and I'll send them to you if for some reason it doesn't quite work. $9 and Lord Lady and the Lording or Ladies Dancing. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. I'm going to keep the extra 1, and we'll add it to 1 if it's not quite full up. Maybe just add it to the 1s or 2s. I'm actually happy I'm getting some of these bigger numbers. All right, the lady will be, let's put her in a nice peachy gown. A nice little peachy gown. Yeah. And is that a leg? That's a leg. That's a leg. And she's going to be half alien, so I'm going to make her green. Or she ate some really bad figs from that pear tree, and I make her a little hand, because apparently I forgot to go and make sure that they're... I must have cut off their hands or something, I don't know. And this will, after all the money, this will be $36. The Lord's will be $30 for that one. I think the highest number for each of these is like 36 or something like that, and then it goes back down. And the turtle dove, his is $22. He's got an extra rabbit. Just throws her stuff around, scares me. Scares the bejesus out of me. Let's do a turtle. These little turtles are so cute. Make him multicolored. He's going to be a green and a blue one. Blue is kind of close enough to the green, but it's not as noticeable. Yeah, this is one of them off of Canva. Did all these off of Canva. That was the AI that did that one. The little mutant turtle dove. It's like an angel turtle dove. Two turtles. Oh, might add the extra two to the other one and get a dove in there. And we have a 1 and a 2. Oh, yeah. So we should have a total of 3. Let's do a red parrot. I've actually seen red parrots. I'm a reddish brown, so close enough. And let's do a tan. Tan pair. Ouch. Keep stabbing myself. And let's get their little stems. 1 and 2 and 3. And I'll add the extra to the turtle dove. I like to save my $1 one for any oddball ones, the lower numbers, 1, 2s, and 3s. And we will do a dove. Doves are like grays and whites and actually there are multiple colors, I guess. I'm gonna do a little brown one. Might fast forward, who knows. I am hungry. I need to get this stuff done so I can make me some breakfast. Go to Starbucks and read my book and watch some YouTube. I think I got all my list of people to watch from last week's finally done. I think I just have Sam and Cody. That's the only one I haven't watched this week. So I've watched all the other ones. Miss Fish Managed was the last one I did this morning. Oh, whoops, I forgot to put the $2 in there. That's one of the things I write too many. I'll write a whole big old list and my hands are all cramped, so I get 20 of them and they keeps me make sure I'm watching them and giving people the watch hours. And then usually every other day or every day I'll go in there and I'll see who's in need of hours and I'll go throw it on during the night. And what happened to my... Oh, right here. I might add a couple extra ones in just as a bonuses as I'm doing the YouTube. So at the very end, I'll just do a little pause and I'll add a couple extra ones onto the screen. So, and then I'll watch a couple of them, at least maybe 5 more at least. Or I know, do a hashtag of if you watch this or you have somebody who you know who needs watch hours or subscribers, put in my comments, hashtag, not hashtag hashtag share the love, and then do their their little YouTube channel, so that way I can get some newbies and I will watch them and subscribe to them if I haven't already subscribed. And yeah, so hashtag or at or whatever, hashtag at whatever, share the love, or just share them in the heart, either or. Yeah, so put in the comments somebody you know who needs some subscribers, or if you are new, put your name in there as well. Well, put your name in there and then add another person so I can get to. All right, let's get her on down the road. We have A. Atkins. I guess these are just people who like to view. They only have 8 subscribers. No videos, but just, their playlists, and you can tell they like the budgeting channels because they got a lot of them. I usually go through some of there and check out who they're subscribed to, and then I'll write down who they're writing to. So when I get a chance, I'll go through the list of some of these other people, and then I'll subscribe and watch a thing. I try not to subscribe unless I have time to actually watch a video. That way I'm not just subscribe. I'm going to make sure I'm watching them and commenting and that type of stuff. And then it'd be nice if I'd actually be able to read my own handwriting. Lata Hatton, I know I should, Lata Hatton, I don't know. I'll put it in the thing. I just wrote down their their YouTube thingy without actually going in there and writing the full name in, so I can see where the and with me being dyslexic, I can't separate these two names. But oh yeah, it's and then 2651. She only has like 31. She's also just a budgeter sneaker. Then Carmen Lazo 1358. Carmen Noels. I'm probably slaughtering them. She's got 46 subscribers, so she's a newbie. She's got a couple videos, it looks like I wrote down. Breezy Budgets. She got eight subs. She looks like she's a peeper as well. Love you guys, even those who don't have the time to do all these YouTube budgeting thingies, because it is a lot of work. Yeah, so sometimes you just don't have the time to do it, but you like to watch them. So I understand. I was that way for quite a while. AV Budget. She's 83 scrubs, 83 scrubs and 10 videos. So she's a newbie too. So go out there and give her some love. Budget stuff saves repeats. Say that five times fast. Budget safe subs. Budget safe subs save. Budget safe save subs. Budget stuff saves. I am truly really trying to say that, and I am having issues. But she has 3,022 subs, and she's got a whole bunch of videos. She's got like 219 videos. So if you need something to watch, go and subscribe to her. I'm sure you can find a video within your time frame that you can use, and make sure you send her some love. Save the Bacon. She's got 86 subs and 20 videos up there. So go in there and give her some love. Dawn Sunrise Budgeting is 104 subs. So she's like right about me. I feel like I'm like 102. So she's like 2 above me. And she did it all with only 16 videos. So she got some good friends out there. Michael Cruz, and I think he's probably just one of the shorts probably came by, or he has a lot of gaming one. Maybe I might know him. I might. Do I know him, Michael? Probably. I know all their handles, but I do know some of their names, but I don't know. Anyways, that's awesome. Thank you. Hippies, Puppies, and Kittens Budgets. She has 262 subs. So go over there. I've actually seen some of her videos. It's not like she's cute. Love her. Some more plans. 201 subs. So she's getting there. Cool. Go over there and give them. So yeah, go and give everybody some love. And this will be coming out Monday. So yeah, make sure you do a hashtag share the love and then the name of one of your favorite YouTubers. And if I don't have them, I'll go and sub, and at the very least, I'll go watch one of their videos. So yeah, thank you everybody, and thank you for joining me. And I hope you're having a wonderful weekend. I'm gonna go and get me something to eat and go over to Starbucks and chillax for a little bit and waste some time before I have to go and figure out all the video editing again. Because yeah, I just went and did a big old shop with me, and I had to go and get clothes because I'm going to have an interview this next week, and all my clothes, I have my interview clothes or my nice clothes from when I, from like a decade or so ago, and it's like a size 26, and I'm now in a size 20. So yeah, I needed to get some new clothes, and I also got a new swimsuit and a couple of things from the thrift store. And last week I didn't do too bad on shopping. I did go over about $20, and pretty much everything I needed. It was between the clothes and the cat food. I need to add an extra like $5 or $10 into my pet allowance, since I seem to attract more and more animals. Alrighty. Well, thank you all. Love y'all, and I will see you next time. Bye.